beautiful people. So Joe here once again, and I am going to make my lovely chin chin recipe for you guys so you can try it out this Christmas as you get visitors or for your kids when they come home, especially. They would love to munch on something hard, and yeah, a good chin chin isn't bad. So I start with my dry ingredients. So I've got my flour here. By the way, thank you so much for your support, and if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. Welcome to the channel as well. This is where we give you all the amazing foods and their benefits. Welcome. Okay, so I've got my flour here. So this is organic plain flour or all-purpose flour. So I create a little bit of well here, and then what I do next is add all the dry ingredients. How about that? Okay, so I get my sugar here. I get my, so this is nutmeg. You know what, I'm going to put the recipe in the description below. So I've got nutmeg, I've got baking powder, I've got salt here, and okay, so they go in, and then I add some cornstarch. So some people call this corn flour, but in the UK we call it corn starch. Now I've got my dry ingredients. You know, one thing I've forgotten about, my butter. So I use this Kerrygold butter because it is grass-fed. It's from grass-fed cows. So I love this because it's got a golden, nice color, and it's a great butter because it's grass-fed, not grain-fed. It's not from grain-fed cows. Yeah. Okay. Bear with me, guys. Yes, so my butter is here. It has to be room temperature. Yeah, room temperature. But you know what? I put it outside. It was too soft, so I had to put it back in the fridge. And it's not bad. See how it is, room temperature. So I'm going to do about 50 grams. So 25. So 50. If you like what I'm doing, just give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Okay, so let me mix it around here first, and then dirty my hands. Ooh, I am going to dirty my hands very soon. Okay. So basically, if you're doing 1 kilogram of flour, just use 100 grams of butter. So I'm just going to mix this, and you know what? I think I'll come back to you guys because this part is a bit boring. So I'll come back to you guys. Yes, so I've mixed the butter. See, you can't even see the butter here. Are there anything there? Okay, so we go on to our wet ingredients, and I've bought my 1 egg. Some people might choose to use the egg yolk alone. That's fine. That's what they like. I mean, you can change things. If you don't like nutmeg, just change it to cinnamon because it's more Christmassy. Yeah, you can do anything you want to do with it. And I mean, it's going to turn out well as long as you're using the right recipe, you know. So this is condensed milk, and I had to take some grams off the sugar to use the condensed milk. So this is 30 grams of condensed milk. Don't worry, I'm going to put the ingredients. You know what I'm doing here. So in the description below for you guys. So this one is called Papa. Fast. Making of chin chin. because the kids have been bugging me. When are we going to do the chin chin? I said, okay, yeah, I'm going to do it now. But my little girl wants to roll it. So, yeah. Less job for me and less job for you. If the kids are around, just let them do it and they'll be happy to do it for you. Okay, so I've got milk here, and this is mixed with water. So the fact that this is about 570 ml doesn't mean you have to use everything. Just check the consistency of your dough. So you add a bit by bit. Oops, oops, oops. So it's bit by bit, bit by bit. And you need the consistency of kind of when, especially when I'm making cookies, I think it's just like that consistency. But let's see. So when I mix everything here, I think I'm going to. So this is one thing I like and don't like about mixing dough, but you don't have to have all the luxury tools to make your chin chin. Don't wait for all the luxury tools. You can do it. So I'll come back to you guys. So at this point, see how it is. I am not needing it to activate the gluten in the flour. No, I don't want the gluten, because basically, I mean, too much gluten is not even good for us or our gut, but we tend to eat it anyway. So I've gotten this, and you can make this a bit harder than this one, but I don't really want a very hard chin chin, which will make my temples hurt when I am chewing it. Anyone can relate? If you can relate, let me know. At this point, I'm going to add my chin chin into the very hot oil. But you know what? You don't have to overcrowd it. It needs to be just a few. And I'm trying these because I needed to test the chin chin, or the oil, sorry, to see if it's hot. So let me show you one thing. So when it comes up, it means at least, yes, it's working, or the oil is working. So this is what I'm going to do, because what I did was very dangerous. So I'll put them in here. Yes, this is better. Then I need a little bit more of flour on this. Oh, you see the way they're coming up. Yeah, man. And you need to turn them as well. so they don't burn. The heat is very high. I have lowered it a bit just to make it so it wouldn't burn. And I think I need this here. Oops, it's very hot. This pot gets so hot. Sometimes I just forget. It gets hot. And the moment you turn it off, it just goes down. So we need a golden color here. Just try and switch it around, but as you switch it around, make sure you don't get the hot oil on your skin. Just try gently to switch it around, and you see the golden color is coming up. Those who love chin chin in this house are going to be happy, because we are going to replace their pots. If you haven't subscribed yet, please show me some love and subscribe to the channel, and also like this video and share, because love is so free. See, we are getting this uniform color here, because if you leave it alone, some will be burnt. So unfortunately, you have to stand by it to go through the whole process of frying. And one thing about the oil, if you are such that you fry a lot, I would say use a good avocado oil or grapeseed oil, or coconut oil, because these oils can withstand heat, especially avocado and grapeseed oil. When you fry a lot with sunflower oil, corn oil, and all those canola oils, they aren't good because they are omega-6 oils, and when you apply heat to them, they denature, they just spoil. Okay, so I like this. I'm going to add it into my pot here, and then lower the heat and prepare for the next batch. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like, subscribe and share the video, and also try it out and let me know how it went. So you can serve it in a nice cute bowl like this, or you can also store it in a plastic or a nice glass jar. But remember, when you've just done it, it's a bit hot, so you can wait for it to cool before closing it. And this is what I am going to close it with, and it will stay on the table for anyone to enjoy. So I hope you like it, and you also make some to enjoy. Thank you guys for your support. Bye.